Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiki. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a slip stitch. So normally in a crochet pattern, it is going to be abbreviated SLST. So I hope I can help you learn. Okay guys, so for this one, we're just going to do a slip stitch. So here I just have a couple rows of single crochets just so that we can have a little project to work on. So for this one, you're going to have your one loop on your hook. That's your little working loop. You're going to have a hole in the next part of your project. So go ahead, go into that hole. Make sure you go all the way through, just so that you can see the braid on the top of your project right here. Make sure you're through both sides of the braid. You can see all of it. You can see all the detail. Then you're going to yarn over, which is simply just the yarn is over your hook. Yarn over, grab onto that. So now you're going to have two loops on your hook. So to slip stitch, you're just going to take that new hook or that new loop that you pulled through, and you're going to pull it through that first loop. So then if we do it again, go into the next hole of your project. Make sure you're through the whole thing. You can see all of this braiding. Yarn over, pull through so that the loops are even, and then take this same loop and pull through. So nice and fluid and easy, not too much to it. And pull through. All right, everybody, I really hope you were able to learn the slip stitch from this video. If you were, tell me down below. If you weren't, tell me down below. Again, I just want to hear all about your guys' crochet journeys. I love to hear all about it. We'll see you soon.